Hi there, I'm Kathleen, your nutrition educator, and today we're going to be learning about grapefruits. Grapefruits grow on trees, which can be up to 50 feet tall. The later they're harvested in the season, the more flavor and juiciness they can have. Grapefruits were named by a Jamaican farmer who noticed that they grew on the trees in clusters like grapes. There could be up to 25 grapefruits in one cluster. They're great sources of vitamin C, potassium, vitamin A, folate, thiamine, fiber, and vitamin B6. Potassium is an essential mineral. It helps maintain normal blood pressure and healthy muscles. Potassium can be found in other fruits and vegetables as well, like bananas, broccoli, avocado, potatoes, and strawberries. Grapefruits are also an amazing source of vitamin C, which helps heal our wounds and fight off illness. Here's a recipe for a citrus salad, containing a variety of fruits and vegetables to help make your day just a little healthier. Who else is getting hungry? That's all on grapefruits for this month. See you next month for a new fruit or vegetable. Bye!